Your cat is asleep on the couch. It looks peaceful. Almost too peaceful. But then something happens. Its paw twitches. Its whiskers jerk. And for a split second, it looks like it's somewhere else entirely. Not here. Not in your living room. Somewhere you can't see. And here's the uncomfortable question. What if your cat is not sleeping at all? What if it's gone? We usually think sleep is simple. Body off, brain quiet, system shut down. But scientists ran into a problem. If sleep is off, why does the brain look more active than when awake? Especially in something called REM sleep.
Eyes move, brain fires, memory systems light up. Almost like the animal is awake, somewhere else. But here's the first real twist. Not all brains behave the same during REM. So the question becomes, are we even describing sleep correctly? Let's go to a lab. Rats. A maze. Food at the end. Scientists track every neural firing pattern in their brains. Every turn, every decision, every mistake. Then the rats fall asleep, and something strange happens. The exact same brain patterns appear again. Same sequence, same timing, same journey. But here's the problem. The rats are not moving. So what exactly is happening? Are they remembering? Replaying? Or something else entirely? At first, scientists thought this is memory consolidation, a simple replay system. But then they noticed something disturbing. Not every replay is perfect. Some sequences distort. Some get compressed. Some jump around like broken film. So now the question changes. If the brain is replaying, why does it edit the story? And this opens a deeper possibility. What if dreams are not replay, but reconstruction? Now look at dogs. Twitching, running motions, soft barking in sleep. Most people assume they're dreaming about us. But here's the uncomfortable question. Are we projecting human emotion onto something much simpler? Because dogs may not dream in stories. They may dream in actions. Chase, run, stop, repeat. And if that's true, then the emotional dream we imagine? In one famous experiment, scientists temporarily disrupted a safety system in sleeping cats. Normally, the body is frozen during REM sleep, so you don't act out dreams. But when that system was disabled, the cats stood up. They crouched. They stalked invisible targets. They hunted something that wasn't there. But here's the question that stopped the researchers. If there is no external world, why does the brain generate complete behavior sequences? Not fragments, full hunting logic, as if the brain is running a simulation. Now, pause for a second, because everything so far assumes one thing, that brains across species work the same way. But what about an animal where that assumption completely breaks? The octopus. Half its neurons are not even in the brain. They are in its arms. Each arm processes information almost independently. So here's the real question. If intelligence is distributed, where does dreaming even happen? When octopuses sleep, something strange happens. Their skin changes color, fast, then slow, then in patterns that don't look random at all. They look intentional, like communication, or memory, or something we don't have language for yet. But here's the real problem.
We don't even know if experience is centralized in an octopus. So if it dreams, where is the dream happening? In the brain? In the arms? In the whole body? We don't know. Here's the uncomfortable truth. We still don't know what dreaming actually is. Not fully. We can measure brain activity, we can map neurons, we can replay patterns, but we cannot answer the simplest question. What is the experience like for the animal? Is it memory, simulation, emotion, or something entirely different? Across species, one pattern keeps appearing. Brains don't shut down during sleep. They reorganize. They replay. They simulate. Which suggests something radical. Dreaming might not be a human feature. It might be a biological function older than thought itself. A survival system. An offline training mode. Or something we barely understand. So the next time you see a sleeping animal, don't just think it's resting. Think instead, maybe it's somewhere else. Maybe it's running. Maybe it's hunting. Maybe it's remembering something you will never see. Or maybe, and this is the strangest possibility, we are not the only ones who dream. We are just the only ones who can